Hello guys, I have been looking for this since February. I am not exaggerating. Since Russia decided to do their thing, I have looked in 2 different states. I have looked at probably 10 different stores and I have not found this anywhere, not anywhere. Jack and I went to Walmart the other day and surprisingly it was there. I was like, what is going on? Now this has got me thinking here because I could not find it anywhere. And then all of a sudden it's here and now it's on clearance. So I got me a 4-year supply. Guys, you need to pick this up now. And I'm not kidding, with all this green baloney going on, all this ridiculousness, it may be outlawed pretty soon and you do not want to regret it. Okay guys, if you are prepping, look for this deal. Walmart, $10 right there. Grab you some fertilizer. With all the fertilizer issues, you're gonna wanna get some. And I got some right there. Thanks to my trusty sidekick right there. Thank you, trusty sidekick, for loading it into my basket.
Forced labor, slave labor.
It is, that's why I had 3 boys.
Yeah.
I did it on purpose.
I'm locked in their basement for most of the day.
You are, huh?
And then I come out here and I'm forced to work.
Just unloading things of fertilizer, huh?
Yep.
$10, guys. Grab it. Get you some fertilizer. I would stock up. All right, so that's my good deal for the week, and I'm going to be ready to have a beautiful garden next year. Go watch this video next, livingonadime.com.